Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. I really hope you guys like it. So for my first videos, I'm doing a Zodiac series, which is like what I'm going for is like warrior princesses. So I'm starting off with the Aries, and I think it came out pretty good. In this video, you're gonna just follow the process with me. It's more of like a paint with me, and yeah, I think it came out really good. Before, like when I was painting like a few days ago, I had like a smaller desk, and now I finally have my my dream setup, which is this pink desk, and I love it. I even have like my bunny ears, which I think is so cute. And yeah, I really like the whole setup and everything. In the video, you're gonna see my old desk, but you know, newer videos are coming with the new setup. And I also wanted to add that I plan to open a shop like as I upload more videos, because I want to like get the Zodiac series going. When I do have like a few videos uploaded, I'm gonna update you guys on like when I do open the shop. I want to do prints and different things. Like you guys can give me ideas, like different things on what to put in the shop. But right now, I hope you guys enjoy like this series. I think it's gonna be so much fun, and yeah, I'm really enjoying the process. First YouTube video. Yeah, but yeah, I hope you guys like it. I'm a little bit shy, but you know, I still do love painting, and I do want to share like my art with everyone, with the world, and I hope it reaches like, you know, the right people. And thank you for watching, and thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate like everyone who tunes in. Thank you. Hello friends, thank you for tuning into my first YouTube video. This video is based off of my Zodiac painting series. I'm first starting off with Aries, so what I'm going for is an Aries warrior princess. I hope you guys stay tuned, and thank you for watching. So I'm first starting with a pre-sketch that I sketched beforehand. I like to do those so when I record, I can just paint in like my details. I've always wanted to do this Zodiac painting series since it's so relatable. What I'm going for is different ethnicities for each Zodiac painting, especially since I'm Guyanese and mixed and it relates to me. What I plan on doing is uploading often so you guys can follow the series. I added the red to the hair since Aries is a fire sign, and I'm going for like a warrior princess look. I feel like it adds more detail to the whole look. I like gouache, but I'm still fairly new to using it. What I like to do is add more water to the paint so I can blend in the contrast better. I don't know if it's gouache or gouache, but you can let me know which way is correct. Is it the first way or the second way? So I went for green for her top since it gives like this earthy look, and I really like how it turned out. So right here, my favorite paintbrush broke. I had to do some quick repairs with some tape. I might buy a new one, but I still really like this one. It still paints really well, so honestly I might still hold on to it. I'm opening up a shop soon, so if you guys like any of the equipment I'm using, you can get them there, like my paint palette or painting pad. It's all gonna be there. I'll let you guys know of the release date in my upcoming videos. And if you like the gouache painting set that I'm using, I'm gonna link in the description like where I got it, so you guys can get it as well. So right here I'm painting in the horns of the ram. Since the Aries symbol is a ram, I'm adding a little more details because I wanted this to stand out a bit more. So here in this clip you can see the eyes kind of look bare, so I'm lining them just to give a little more emphasis. Right now I'm just filling in some small gaps in the painting and adding a little more details to the other horn. For the pendant, I decided to add the blue sapphire color since for some Aries, their birthstone is like the blue sapphire. Also, I added a red scar to her face to maintain the Zodiac warrior princess theme. Thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. This is the end result. I really like how it turned out. I think it turned out really good. I'm planning uploading like very often so you guys can follow this series, and I'm gonna be doing more zodiac signs. I'd love if you guys can like and subscribe. I have a lot more videos coming. Thank you.